Hello children, welcome to English class. Today we are going to learn about short and long vowel sound. Sounds of vowels. Now in English we have 26 alphabets, okay? And in that we have vowels and consonants. How many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. What are they? A, E, I, O and U. And the consonants are 21. Okay? First let us learn the short vowel sound. The short vowel sound takes lesser time than the long vowel sound. For example, cat. Cat. Okay? Time taken for the sound A is less. Cat. Next, bag. 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 The time taken for the sound of A is less. So we say bag. Next, tap. T-A-P. Tap. The letter A is short vowel. So it takes less time. Now let us learn about long sound of vowel A. That will take a longer time. And remember, when it is long vowel sound, what happens is we have more than one vowel. We have 2 vowels. For example, cage. C-A-G-E. See how it is? Cage. Cage. A. The letter A is taking a longer time. And A and E is there. 2 vowels are there in cage. Okay, children? And E is silent. Remember that. Now, the next. Tape. Tape. See? E sound is not there. So, tape. See? A is said as it is. As the letter is. Next comes cake. Cake. C-A-K-E. The same way the sound, listen to the sound. Cake. Cake. Now short vowel sound for the letter E. Bed. Bed. See, the time taken for E is so less. So bed. Pen. Pen. See, the sound taken for E again is short. So we say short vowel sound. Jet. Jet. See, the sound again taken for E is less. Now we will move on to long vowel sound of the letter E. Leaf. L-E-A-F. L-E-A-F. Leaf. 2 vowels are there. Which is prominent? E. A is silent here. Okay, leaf. Okay, children? Next comes ear. Ear. Long vowel sound of E. Ear. Okay, ear. See, E, A is there. But E takes a longer time. And A is silent. Ear. Next comes long vowel sound of E in the word seat. Seat. See again, E takes longer time, A is silent. Seat. Next comes tree. Tree. 2 vowels are there. Tree. Short vowel sound of I. For example, kid. 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 Next, tin. Tin. Next, chin. Chin. See, the sound time taken for the letter I is less. Now for long sound of vowel I, the time taken will be more. For example, bike. Bike. I. See the prolonged sound of I. Bike. And I will be said as it is. I. Bike. 2 vowels are there in the word bike. Next, hive. Hive. Next, lime. And all these words had 2 vowels. The first vowel will be heard, whereas the second vowel will be silent. Okay, children? Now, short vowel sound of O, the same way. Time taken will be less for O. For example, top, up, pot, pot. Then rock, rock. Now, let's learn the long sound of vowel O. For example, soap. Here again 2 vowels are there. Soap, O. We say the letter O. Then boat. Next, home. Home. See, the time taken for O is more. A is silent. Next, food. Food. So the time taken is long. Now, the last vowel. What is that? U. Yes. Short vowel sound of U. The time taken will be less. For example, sun. Sun. Jug. Jug. Pup. Pup. Now, let's learn about the long vowel sound of the letter U. Again, there are 2 vowels. U. In cube, we have 2 vowels. U and E. C-U-B-E. Cube. See, U is said as the letter is. Okay? Cube. Then tube. T-U-B-E. Tube. Okay? Next, tune. Tune. Remember, in long vowel sound, we have 2 vowel in the word. But in short vowel, we have only 1 vowel. Okay? And the time taken for short vowel will be less. And the time taken for the long vowel will be more. The first vowel will make a longer sound and the second vowel in that word will not be heard. Okay? It will be silent. Take care. Bye-bye. See you next time.